Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to see the password from Roblox on your devices. It can be both Android and iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Write in the comments whether you succeeded or not. Let's get started. Here we go. I'm going to show you the first method on the iPhone. After that, let's move on to the second one. I'll show you how to do it on Android. Go to Settings. Scroll down to the Password tab. Here we open Face ID. And then in the search box, we should write Roblox. And here I have two accounts, and I can choose one of them. Let's say I go here. Here I can click on Password and see my password. And if I see it, now I do not need to reset it and restore it again. The second way, we go to Safari. Then we need to say that you are on Android. You can use any browser at all. We go to google.com. Then click on Manage your Google account. Scroll to the side, click on Security. Scroll down to the bottom, and you'll find Password Manager. Click on it. Further here on the search bar, also write Roblox and find our application. After that, click on it. Further, we will need to enter the password from our Gmail account. And after that, we will be able to see and view the password from our game Roblox. And this method, once again, I say works on both iPhone and Android. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Write comments. Thank you all for watching it. Goodbye.